is similar to the ceramic saw blade or the marble saw blade, but it's used for the Dekton cutting. Some customers would like to judge this by the shapes or the outer look, but actually we need to judge this by the cutting materials and the characteristics of the stone. Like if you cut the Dekton, it may be a little fragile, so we need to use the narrow gap to cut. But there is small difference. We can see the gap. There is a small hole on the bottom. Generally, the characteristics of the saw blade are similar, but maybe we can see there is also a little difference from the outer look. There is the outer surface different from the ceramic one. About the inner hole, this is similar to the ceramic one, 50 millimeters and 60 millimeters. About the height of the segment, this is also 10 millimeters high, and we mark the specifications about the segment on this. The teeth is 26, and the inner hole is 50 millimeters. For the thickness is thicker than the ceramic one, we need to cut hard materials. Dekton, so we need to use the harder one. It's 2 millimeters. We can hardly see the difference, but we need to make different materials to produce this in the right way, and we need to adjust the segment formulas. So maybe you know that some professional stone factories or dealers know that the segment influence the cutting abilities. So if you want the cutting saw blade for Dekton, you need to tell us the cutting depth, cutting speed, and the stone, the Dekton size, like the height, the length, and the thickness, so that we can judge what kind of diamond and the metal bond we need to use and produce these segments for you to make sure you can cut this stone. Then we weld this on the saw blade, on the blank blade. By the way, it's similar for the saw blade